Hi, my name is Courtney. I am the junior representative for Breathitt County High School. Our plan for this grant was to beautify our school. Our school has been working for some time now on beautifying it. We've painted some of the ceiling tiles and things like that to kind of boost student morale and make it more welcoming. But our plan is to kind of expand on that. We want to piggyback off of what we've already been doing. So we want to try and paint the lockers in the main hallway and remind students that this is a welcoming environment. You're meant to be here, and we want you to be here. We want you to do good. We plan to base it around the 4 subjects for right now, math, social studies, science, and language arts. And then hopefully in the coming years we can continue on this and expand it to our vocational schools and the arts and drama classes and things like that.
Okay, so far we've already discussed this plan with our student council administrators, and we are currently talking with a professional artist that's from our area to help us paint and stuff. So as she said, we are focusing our energies on painting the lockers. Our original plan was to paint the bathroom stalls, but we decided that we couldn't do that. So far, we feel like the only problems we will have is getting approval from the administration and having enough funds to go through this plan.
So one problem that we notice is there's sometimes a lack of communication between the student council and our school. So what we plan to do is release a press release on our school website to tell people this is what we're doing, this is who's doing it, and this is why we're doing it. And then for the people who don't really go on the school website, we're going to also send this press release to our Facebook page, because we know a lot of parents and a lot of students are active on there and they read what's going on and things like that. So we really want to get this message out to everyone so they know that we're actively trying, the school is actively trying to make it more welcoming to its students and things like that.
To document our success for the project, we are going to release multiple surveys throughout the year to see how morale feels to the students right now before we've started it, how it's starting to improve throughout our project, and then how they feel by the end of the year. And that's it.